In a small village, there was a pond where a mischievous cat often went to watch the fishes. She would try to catch them, but her efforts always ended in failure. The fish, quick and clever, would dart away before she could reach them. One day, the cat noticed something unusual. The water in the pond was getting lower and lower. The fishes, worried for their lives, pleading for help. Please save us. Without water, we cannot survive. The cat felt a strange sense of responsibility and decided to act. She ran to the villagers and mewed loudly to get their attention. Understanding the urgency, the villagers quickly worked together to fill the pond with fresh water. The fishes were overjoyed and thanked the cat for her kindness. Touched by their gratitude, the cat promised, "From now on, I will protect you and never try to harm you again."